Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So vlog world, the day is officially here. Me just pack. Oh Lord, that's so bright. We just done pack. Chawas still up. Me know if you say Chawas be there, I know. Chawas upstairs supposedly a bed. He's supposed to done be a long time. Me never hear no shower run. So you mean that wipe up? Wipe up. We have Ricky over here.
Yo.
Chillaxing.
So today is the day. Today is
the day.
You tell them what the day is?
No, but we can tell them now.
Okay, you're so sick. Lavish.
Blue, you coming?
No, he can't come. He's not allowed. He don't have his ID.
Blue not no passport. You can't passport Blue.
You're Blue.
Blues.
What you gonna do? You gonna miss your one?
Yes, sir. We're there, huh? Inside. So we're there right now. Me ready already like always. Me always the first somebody to get ready. Well actually Ricky are the first somebody to get ready because Ricky ready and Rita over here ready. So now we just wait on Chabas and Alfred. Alfred's supposed to depend in way forward right now. I don't know how truthful that is, but that will look nice. I like out there. Look like a nice day. No rain, nothing. Oh, the cloud does say rain. But yeah, we're there. I know. We're not far with it. The excitement starts right now. So now everybody is here officially. You ready? Turn Up City. Mr. Turn Up King. You just want a jet ski, right? You just want a jet ski. You ready? Father-son relationship. Oh God. Let me get it from a different angle. You don't even know. Yeah, we have a little moment, right? Yo, Blue think we probably go to a supermarket and come back. Blue. Alright, remember? Yo, you think it's make it too hard for me. Wait till Tuesday when you don't see nobody. Come go in. Inside. You come over here. Who's that? You're step high. Chabas a step high. Catch your shoes. Catch your shoes. Pomba. You know you have to have them in every color. In every color. And he did got them in every color. So right now we are packed up. Shower suitcase can was, I guess he must go back. Yo. Wait, how far that big bag here? Might as well just kick with this one. Mate, where you go with this? Nigga, you see they got some vacation. Why you have to bring a big bag? You want to put in the suitcase on the lap. Yo, no matter what I go on the suitcase, they'll go back in, you know. Somebody used to work at the airport here. Oh Lord, we get. Yes, so we are get ready. We are get. Same thing, Ricky. That say. What you say no one do? God in there. If Chabas don't pay me $5, this I make the vlog. So if you see this in the vlog, that means Chabas never pay me $5. Yo, the big boy. Maximum. It's a boy, you're bringing chicken. Chicken wing? You know, left in chicken, you know, you really liking chicken.
So vlog world right now we leaving.
Yeah.
In the big body Benz. Alfred right there.
Tired right now.
Bubba right there. Ricky right there. The birthday boy. Pre-birthday party.
Pre-birthday.
Nikisha, big up yourself!
Yeah man, Nikisha, big up yourself.
First and foremost, I want to big up all the wives out there. Nikisha, plan this trip for Ricky. And thing on his birthday, we plan a guy's
best
trip.
Wife ever.
Nigga, if you don't pull She's the best wife. Nikisha says, pull out!
Yes.
We have to big up Nikisha first before we move.
Yes.
Sis, big up yourself
big
for the
up
trip.
Nikisha,
yeah, the whole of we are big up on behalf of. Oh, you mean? Yes. Big up yourself, because you know we all needed this.
Alright.
I'm on things on the journey with me. We're gonna do it for the vlog.
This guy.
That's his everyday dinner.
This guy. Our pork pasta.
Pork pasta from
chicken. We open the sunroof.
I force Rasta be seeing them pork soft. And the Rasta raw chicken. The chicken raw. Show you raw chicken. That man is a dread farm too. He have dreads. You need to look up on his shit, yeah?
The prank start. Yo, oh my god. Oh my god, how you gonna start now? Who asleep first? I feel like Ricky will jump asleep first.
Me?
Yeah?
No man, Ricky will stay up man. Yeah, I'll be up and quiet. Yeah man, me and Ricky go for a trip already. Me know when Ricky is. Ricky never sleep. Yeah, I sleep probably 2 hours and that's it. Me know Alfred I'll be like oh, Booba. And doors off and without Booba gonna sound like blue. No, you must be holy faith, man. Tell you no. You must be holy faith, man. You think I'm the only one you're gonna tap out? Yo, I went to sleep late last night and I woke up early this morning.
Where are you going?
Content Spring.
Where are you going?
We start now. Ricky T's birthday turn up. We did it. Oh my god, why you so close?
So right now, me and Ricky get you already.
We made it.
Them a do extra search for Chabas and Okim. Them a do extra search for them.
No filming.
No, let me
we that pass a while ago. When them all like the immigration people
me, they want all the call for say no. Yo, first of all, we want to show you the whole experience, so not forward with it. If they lock, we will not forward with it. See you.
But hopefully they'll give us the black camera.
Yeah, if they lock, just give me black camera in Nigeria. Alright, we're there. We are named some food. So right now, we are. Somebody step on Chawas class and round that road. So look at the view. Oh my god. We reach. See ship there people. The man just a paint the ship.
Why look like yo, I'm gonna make an Instagram video.
Yeah, man, yo, my black so. Ricky black. We look turn already and we need to go up on the upper deck. Yeah, but we're there, we're about to board the plane right now. The seaplane. We are about to board the seaplane right now. So yeah, mad move. Yeah man, right now someone look good now. Yo, me too tall dog. We're on the ship people. We are on the ship people. We are on the ship. Titanic. We're on the ship, so we are linking back again. Yeah, we're on the ship. This is the ship. We're going to the alley.
And then chop my way up to the meat and chicken. That's the elevator?
Yeah.
The boat we know how Kim get one. When's the boat we get?
It.
Alfred no easy.
What is it?
What is he about to get? Same boat we get. Yo, one man looks up.
Somebody in there.
Yo,
oh Lord.
Your room number is
Ricky, I can't.
Take one.
The room number.
Yeah, because we didn't put it on there. Yeah. Oh yeah? Alright. Yo.
Where you say now? Where you say liquor oil? How you say?
More go for juice. Your big bright. Okay.
After boy just cock up in food.
Hey, drink some of it.
Ricky plate. Clean, come on plate. Yo, potato salad this, you know. I never seen none like this before. See Chabas bed there. Right there.
This bed is mine.
Chabas bed, see my bed, yeah.
See next bed right there, so.
Ricky asleep, yeah, so. Okay, my sleep. Who poop at night time?
Me.
Just stay at ground. Some of go run me out of tomorrow because I now come out of bed.
Just put on the bag them and go walk up on them and see where them are for half up on the ship.
How's the experience so far?
This is our first time on a ship, you know.
Funny.
No, we don't know, so I saw the inside of the rooms.
Yeah, we're first time. I'm going to bathroom tour, guys.
Yeah, the bathroom big though.
Right here we have a closet. Oh, what is this? Blanket? Yo, I call dibs.
Pick up on the ground. They can't see.
And then, alright, we have the bathroom, so.
Them big man, from where see that?
This look like a prison toilet, but you don't know. I'm stealing this. Yeah, we're gonna need more tissue. A 2 there. A 2 there.
So this is a bathroom. The bathroom.
Oh, we can drink water in here.
Where's the repeating?
Are you them attack too?
Hello, quick question.
It's a nice go. I'm taking this. Please do not call nowhere off of that phone.
It says please dial 911.
Vlog world, we are exploring the ship. Watch him today in the same way. We are gonna explore. Ricky, I go see what I'm going.
Small.
Yeah, but it neat though.
Yeah, you can't go on.
Yeah. We like, yeah?
Left that. Go.
So laundry mat there in here, people. Oh, yeah, so we have to come iron, dog?
Yeah, iron in our room. Look at your room, liquor.
What you mean? From anywhere off bed you can iron.
Where you going, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alfred?
Yes, the Alfred back there. So right now, we're in the mall. Dating there. Oh, ATM, I need that. Oh, the store didn't open it until it was left off.
I'm gonna give this away. Drum roll, please.
What is this we stumble upon? Right now.
Yes, and then academics.
I don't know what we're pop up on. I don't know how I go on.
These are all yours.
But it come like price I give it.
Give her a nice round of applause,
Come like
Lori.
price I give it. Lori just win something. Big up Lori. Next.
Just by seeing the slot machines in the casino. We are doing that now.
Oh, we're going to go. Come now, come now. There ain't no good selling time.
Yo, what you say? I block my son. What you say? Lawsuit.
It's the last one?
You can swim? Good?
We got room for
We still left on dock. We not do road yet. We soon do road.
Pain, no sensitivity at all, guaranteed.
Okay.
It's nothing like what you get on land. It takes only 30 minutes and it can last you up to a year if you have it done, okay? So I'm gonna tell you how it works.
How much you do it though?
It's normally $149. Back on land, it's like $300-400.
This is $25.
Okay? No, sir. But here I know now, when you book and receive it today, you will get it for $129. That is my special offer, and it's because you're Chaba screw, you know?
So $125 you do it now.
$129.
Oh, $125.
Yeah.
So the $4 reach on there. You said $25.
No, it's normally $149, so I will take off $20, you know?
So you can just do it $300.
Road it after in here, something.
So let me tell you, I use hygienic ampule technology like this one, okay?
Really want me to eat white?
With a very cool white light. So with this light, it helps the solution to penetrate, to lift the stains like from coffee, tea, red wine, smoking, all of
Weed,
those
yes,
things.
man.
Ah, weed, yeah, man. So you can get up to 6 shades in just the one treatment, okay? I will measure them before and after using my guard so you see your results.
Oh, for teeth, don't come on. Painless, no pain at all. No, it's not gonna know. It's just
Painless.
You were going on so good.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to catch you off guard.
So this treatment, ladies, there's no pain, no sensitivity. Okay, I'm gonna use some hygienic ampule technology with the help of a very cool white light. Okay, that's this one right here. That's it. The solution.
Ladies and gentlemen, just like the captain said, our safety briefing is coming up very shortly. We'll be starting our guest safety briefing in just a few minutes. But before we get started, we will need to take care of some very important safety steps with you. First of all, ensure that you have enough life jackets for the group of guests in your stateroom. If you need additional life jackets, please contact your stateroom steward before today's departure. You do not need to bring your life jackets to the safe room of the cargo government.
Select people, it's lit. It's lit, Andrew, it's lit.
Right?
So right now it's gonna be me and Ricky versus Okim and Chabas right now.
Listen. Damn, yo, both of y'all gonna get that from me. Alright, go over there. Go over. So right now we are playing side by side. Ricky and Famous versus me and Alfred.
We have to fight, but we have to start doing stuff to it. If we lose,
10 push-ups to each knee.
come on, push up. Oh God, you're taking off like you're serious now.
One time. I forget it.
4 or 5. Hold on, maybe you do your rule before the
Alright, the ball, I'm the boom for yesterday.
The ball of
Yeah, so we are going first fight.
Forget all the players.
It have to boom on that table. You say if we boom on the table, go there.
If you're party, and you know, we have to wait till the ball before we can there.
Yeah.
So, okay, so if they don't touch, then we win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a full point. Alfred. Oh, I won.
There's some different to be there. So right now we're there in the room. The ship about to take off. Well, the ship take off.
Take off, see that?
And we're there watch it on TV. Instead of we go here, look at people flood out there. But right now they're too hot. We are drinking some water and
We're in a barber ship on the We're in a barber ship on the cruise.
the barber shop on the ship.
Yeah, barber shop on the ship.
The man a trim Alfred to rat it. I deal with Alfred
If you don't want to the line up, you know just call 1, 2, 3 Chaba says he.
Chabas.
Brush off your fire for me boss says he. Don't take camera make them see you fear. Let them see say I don't know joke thing. Show them inside what me do already. Let them see say I don't know joke thing, you see it? A ball fade me that go give him but me not bother, you see it? Wait, Baba Chabas.
Baba boss.
Baba boss. Baba boss. Baba boss, you see it? You have to go against the grain, you see me G's.
Nigga, you going with the grain. Going against the grain is shaping up.
This boy don't use castor oil. Never.
Yo, look at man them flood up the table already.
I don't me just say, right? When everybody take
Body
me
pack
never take out my
out. And
thing,
Chap,
never-
I just me and Alfred thing them lip on here, so Ricky gone
Nah,
for
use
your bag.
over this as
Then
much.
thief Ricky bag.
Ricky got me back.
Ricky gone for your bag. Yo, so me Jesus them right there, so. Them baby, me even probably weird them, I don't know why I bring it. Yeah, the deck full of people. So alright, I'm going on a little tour. So this right here is a movie projector, something theater looking something. This is called a drive-in. So you can there so, you can there so in a pool or one next pool there so. Some chairs there so where you can sit and watch movies. See people on the deck there for the look on the see it a move. Yes. I actually feel like I'm gonna get seasick, but you can't feel it. If me never trim out, I give you $15 right now.
You might figure up here,
Yeah man, $15, none more, none less.
Drink, yeah. Just see you last week.
You have your liner?
Yeah, my fit man.
Yeah.
My fit line up. I wish him did bring a razor.
Yes, so as you can see, a barber shop are going right now.
I should brush off.
Yo, a whole heap of people know what I do, you know. Yo, my thing is, me feel like me go freak out when I go out the door and I look so, and I can't see nothing
Which one of
but
my
see.
shop is on here? This, right?
That I go make me freak out
Line it.
when me can't see land.
Where you want
Me
it?
can't swim.
You
So
want it go more? A ball, you want it? I think you just want to feel the whole thing and then you think that you line it. Perfect.
why you never go one real barber shop?
A barber shop, I say, okay, at 8:30 this morning, me wake up and go to barber shop too, you know. We can't get text about Ricky now there.
Me did I do something.
You look on camera and not tell.
I'm gonna look for me something.
No, he say him go do some things.
Oh, but you
When that go say when do little while.
Oh,
But he look to see if me a vlog.
Oh.
A wicked boy, you know. I'm not vlogging. Not vlogging, tell it.
Ricky. Oh, sorry.
I'm looking here.
I Have fun.
Yeah man, you look better than me see like oil. Yo fuck, I didn't pick out the idea that light of me the whole trip.
No, me have hot man. You good?
Oh yeah, what?
Yeah, me have a hat for every color shirt.
Yeah, but no heavy head.
No, I'm have to pull that away your hat.
Yo. Yeah, I try to prove it too hard that in my brush it down for say yo look Baba Bass.
No, I'm with him so you know, can we feel like he here fuck up.
He not fuck up. But we will make him feel like he fuck up.
We make him look good.
Yo, watch out.
You can't even look through this.
Watch out. Yo, watch the item. Bomba.
Yeah, that's smoke.
Please, Dustman, Brahms Lullaby, or
What the hell?
Oh, we are doing. Yo, boy. Bomba. Yo, boy.
No, mom didn't buy it.
You not see that? Me jeez them, you not see that? Yo, no, you can't. That's it, I will push up your mouth.
we're on a bus. We could go in.
Jeez, them.
Sound bad though. Yeah man, big up my G's and man. Yo my G's, so right now we just reached back from the trip. Me just reached home. It was a lovely trip, but me did kind of vex because me never get to record as much and upload as much phone because me did do a vlog, but we couldn't get to upload because the Wi-Fi on the ship it's a OD. Me not pay $32 for the Wi-Fi, and the most we could have do with it to upload picture on Instagram, and that still take forever, so we couldn't get to upload no vlog. And my main focus was for video every day and edit it and upload it for the evening every single day for the trip, and my vibes they just broke because I couldn't upload nothing. So I end up video a couple times. Chabas did a video with him phone so many times, so Chabas have some good footage. So if you don't want to see some of that, head over to Chabas vlog. But I get couple footage and I go just add it to the vlog when I make already and just go on one full vlog. So I'm not gonna just see this one I make right now, it go just pop up in the vlog. Yeah, so it gonna be probably a 30-minute vlog or more, I'm not sure. The next thing was the nicest part of the ship have music, and you know we couldn't really video this so because we gonna get copyright, so it never make no sense. Me sit down over there and video, put up the video on Instagram, put up the video on YouTube, and then YouTube are gonna delete it because of copyright, so it never make no sense. So only part time in the video you gonna hear me I say me have to stop right as now because music I gonna play, or you're not gonna see it because I got it after this. So otherwise from that, it was a fun trip. Ricky birthday, my G's them big up Ricky on him earth strong same way, you know what I mean. Nikisha, respect, blessings and respect, you know what I mean, for this, you know what I mean. Big up Jakes and Bingy mother, you know what I mean. Miss June, respect, you hook way up neat because you give it the place up at the part up at the place around at the place there. So she is with basically travel agent, so if you not plan a trip or no cruise, whatever it is, contact her. I go put up our thing right there so somebody can have that for contact her. She go hook up. Just tell her say famous or Chabas, you know. She go deal with them nice, you know what I mean? So yeah, so Nikisha, big up yourself again, blessings and respect. The trip was nice because it was actually me, Okim, Ricky and Chabas our first time ever go on a cruise, ever go on a ship, you know what I mean. So we never know what to expect and it turned out good. We have fun, we just walk through off and bill, and you see it in the vlog say yeah. But it was a nice trip. Would I definitely do it again. Would I actually do it tomorrow, like pack a next bag and gone back again tomorrow. That is how nice the trip was. I love it. Mexico the hot though, very very hot. Mexico coming like a Jamaica, a little mini Jamaica. Yeah, I like Mexico though. We then ride up some bike and some dune buggy in Mexico. I don't know if a dune buggy then call a June buggy or something, but buggy. It was nice, it was lovely. It was lovely. I know Ricky had fun on his birthday because when Ricky that drive up and down and the beer things and then Jew plum and coconut water and all them something. It was lovely. Me I think about it now. So lovely. Nice little trip. We should have hide on the ship. Definitely should have hide on the trip. Damn, why me never hide on the ship? Alright, we just add the piece of vlog to this now. Continue vlogging. So hope you like this. It's just gonna be one big vlog because Wi-Fi was crazy and still had to pay $32 for the Wi-Fi. So yeah, we're there and we are do it. Big up my Jesus. So right now we are here on this ship. We went to Key West this morning, guys. Chabas, you gotta check Chabas vlog for that because I was trying to upload a vlog for you guys, so my memory card got stuck. So check Chabas vlog, which is Chabas TV. You're gonna see the vlog for Key West. We'll go Key West this morning. We have whole heap of fun, we have whole heap of footage, whole heap of content. Okim just shit. Just shit.
I just get stuck on the toilet, you know?
Just shit. We lock off the light so we don't even know if him wipe up on him. Alright, but we are about to come out because room service about to come in, so yeah, forward do it. Oh, clean service.
Clean service. That trouble, you know. I'll do them for me Instagram. See?
Yeah.
Me never bought you, you know.
So right us a look good. So Ricky can't drive. Brakes.
Everything good. You don't drive.
Yo, we want to bingo, but Chabas no want to bingo. Chabas a mash up a bingo settings. Yo,
no, we are go, mister, we are go, but me not bingo.
Tell him a sucks.
Them want to play bingo, but me not.
People, a $5 we have to pay, and we can win $500 playing bingo. You know what I mean? I'm gonna send him back to Ecuador. Alright, no copyright music. I be a music that run us now, so we're gonna check in back with them. Too much music I play out here, so we can't really video because of copyright.
Start fast. Right now we're outside, Bob Marley I play copyright. So vlog world, I have famous vlog camera. We watching a movie right now. Copyright, so this not pick up. Ricky right there, famous right there. And we're doing it for the vlog. So we're about to go eat some food and thing.
I swear, we have tried video, but we can't video enough things because music I mash up with. And we now try to get copyright.
Me a copyright is up and down, up and down, up and down, you want up and down.
Right now, me and Ricky there, we're about to consume all of them food. Just me and Ricky alone. And we plate all of them. There, alright, we're gone because the music has a Starbucks.
You know, I forgot it, you know? We can't catch it back, you know? Right, is that?
Look on the next side.
On the next side. Hey, what was that? Or move the foot.
So right now you have the reverse of last night. Oh, yo boy. You're so in trouble, go for tech.
You know I'm afraid go upside. And now go upside. Alfred, look. Alright, you see, let me show you a fuck up. When you have fear, you see the narrow arrow where they are so enter? This up.
The dope by sky bed just a pre-war going still. Both of all of it right now still. Baba Fred.
Yo, Mr. Trim me, no fade me, just trim me. Not fade, go by the top. I don't want to fade. I fade already, just trim me out, Alfred. Trim what? The whole thing? Yeah, bro. Cut off everything? Yeah.
And you just wait till you find real barber shop.
I just want to keep my fade them. Once you go there, yeah, I see when you dig into the dark yeah.
Like a prison cut.
Yo, you're going to say so now, come here one comb. Yeah. Wi-Fi work? Feel? No.
My whole phone now work. The G-birthday seems like I'm zooming. Birthday man, because when I deal with birthday boy settings, birthday man, Alfred is over there. And you have Andrew over there. Upstairs. We're gonna look food. What now do? Up top. Yes, so right now we hear music already. Right now we're there. Just consume some breakfast. Yeah. Chabas and Ricky there. Yeah. And music a play. That a mass up the audio. So we soon forward back. So right now it's Ricky's birthday and the people them come and them deal with the room. And birthday cake there, so everything there them fix it up. Chabas and him supposed to have forward right now. So me tell them say yo me the one go bathroom, which this me know about, so Chabas and him a come right now. So me I gotta hide and just ball out surprise. Me I listen for them. Me hear Chabas. You can't hear Chabas out that door. Surprise! Cake dog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ricky. Happy birthday to you. Look, yo, I try to smoke me here forward from way down this you know. Me I say yo, them a forward, them a forward. Yeah man, Alright, go cut the cake now so we can get peace. Yeah.
Oh, wait till we come back for half next week, we mash it up.
I mean, yeah, cut the cake still now.
So yeah man, oh, Alfred, you miss it.
You miss it.
Alfred. Wait, sleep tonight.
Yeah, gonna walk up and down.
Everything good, Alfred.
Me jeez.
Ricky not go pray, but we are here till they asleep, man.
So right now we're just land Mexico. Ricky right there. Birthday man.
That's what we can see.
Chabas over the vlog.
Reach Mexico.
Just reach Mexico.
Yo, the sun over here is so different. So,
we are waiting for Alfred.
It's hot but no wind. That's the problem.
Alfred there's so much far. So we're
I'm
there.
gonna get a glasses or something.
There right now.
Move right there, so.
Yes sir.
Alfred again is nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to be found. But
this nigga need help. We're there in Mexico. Honestly, this is know what I want. Hit the link in my bio right now. Go watch the vlog. First vlog. I'm watching. That's the copy. Yo, we need to have a tour guide.
Right now we out here.
We think lolly.
Not even a tour guide we now, we are tour ourselves.
What's that? I gotta go get cash. Come on.
Lower your ear. Yeah, so right now we're there. I'm gonna look so black. I get black on the trip, yo. Right now, we're about to check in back with you now. Because we just a walk right now. Right now we're hot. We're at the renting place right now. Look at bike in Mexico. People, this is Mexico. This is Mexico.
We can't take care. Driving a buggy.
So yeah, we're there. Go ride, what?
Yeah, you have one buggy.
So Chabas and Hakim just rent a bike. Chabas are inspecting bike because when they come in now, they say ain't damage nothing because we pay insurance and something. See Hakim bike here right there, so. Hakim there right there, so. I examine film bike. Chabas match with film bike. You lit.
Yo, so we reach Mexico. Cuba.
Yeah, man, we there, man.
We get bikes and I do money.
Full bike a forward, me Ricky bike a forward. Shabastan, okay, man, do bike. We not do bike. You know what I mean? We do down buggy. Full Jeep a pull up right now. You know what I mean?
Yo, get the buggy.
Full buggy a pull up right now. Full buggy a pull up right now.
Yo, who made them take picture for it? Yo, who made them take picture for it?
Okay, we reached too far to what's there, so we just park. Yo, Ricky, the bad though.
Yo, this shit nice. Yo, I feel like me there Jamaica.
Bad in the dog. Yep, on 1 foot.
Yo, me feel like me there Jamaica, man, yo.
Yo, that's the phone now.
You don't feel like a yard this, your phone, eh?
We feel like them in a chunky now. Okay.
You have Alfred right there, cruising. You have Travis right there.
Hey, Ricky. Yo. Drive safe, you know.
Yo, we'll buy this.
Yo, we have insurance, yo.
We buy this. Yeah, right now we're there. We get the good car. Out there coming to Jamaica for real, okay?
Oh man, now work. Oh shit, we're doing
That's horsepower.
Yo, where my hand in that?
Yeah man, we're there. I'm out, man.
Someone want to tell me them so the camera from. Yo, in Mexico the people are weird. Ricky, where we are going?
No, stop light. Oh, stop light. Hey. Okay, Bobby, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we're there right now.
That is the Maya temple. Let me take a picture, everybody.
Right now.
It's the best.
Right now we're there up underneath. I'm shade Ricky there, so. Ricky, I drink some.
Oh, that's good.
May I drink some?
Having people from all over the
Chabas said it. Or Kim did it.
Jamaica.
That's
not
So we're there.
What? Jet ski.
Well, that's a bill for now, vlog girl. My G's, everything we do, we are going to show you. So we're there right now, just a bill.
The name, what's the name?
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them, I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.